Hello guys, welcome to the Zaitun Tats Plus channel on YouTube. Today in this lesson of CSS we will learn about positioning. Now we open our bracket and our live preview. We have created a document and a CSS. We have related the CSS to HTML. Now we add our first tag. We add div tag. We need this div tag. We want to add another. We want to add some elements in here. We open lipsum.com. After we open, we generate 5 paragraphs. After the div, we paste it in here. Now we want to add a class for our div. We have added a class for our div. We want to add some style for our div. We come to CSS. Div 1. We come and start adding some codes in here. Weight 100 px, height 50 px. Now we want to add a color for this background. Voila. We have added and this in here, but we should add some more text in here. Now if we scroll the page, this will scroll, but we see on some sites before in BlogFa or some other blogging platforms that were free, they were placing an ad in here. We should close that, but if we was scrolling the page, it won't scroll. It was sticky. To make it sticky, we should add position sticky. Sorry, position fixed. If we add this, the position will be fixed. Now if we scroll, it won't scroll. It won't scroll. Now we want to add some style for this. Left 20 px. On top 20 px. Now we see it's in this in here, but if we want to make it in the right and in here, instead of left we only type right, and if we zero this, it will be here. If we zero this, it will be in here. But if we type instead of top bottom, now it's in here. So easily we can control this with some codes in here. Now we save this, we come here and we want to comment this. Commented this. Now we want to add another div in here. We want to add another div. Flexbox. Now we come to our CSS. After this we come to add some style for our box 1. For our box 1 we add this, but not right and bottom. Top and left. And 20. Now we change the weight to 200, 150. Now we want to come here and copy this. Was the div that we added. Now we want to copy this because we want to add one more box, and here we type box 2. Now we save it, we come here and add style for box 2. Box 2, and the color should be red. Now we have 2 boxes in here. If we change this top 50 and this 50, we see we have 2 boxes in here, but we want to control this. Should not be in the back, it should be on top of the red one. To do this, it's so easily. Only we add z index, and here we add z index 1. If we want this, we should use z index 1. If we want this one, if any of this if has a value more bigger than the other one, it will be shown in here. Now in here we add z index 2. Now we see that number 2, the red one, is easily readable for us. Now we want to add something different. We want to comment this. We comment this and we add another div. Sticky one. Now we copy the attack and we paste it after this. Now for our sticky one, we come and add sticky one. We don't want the right, it should be on the top, and the bottom we don't want this. It's okay for us, but the weight, we don't want this to be 100 px. We want it to be 100%. The height, we want this to be 50 px. We have seen in many sites that if we scroll the page, this won't scroll, but now we see in here it has done with position fixed. But we have a big problem, and our big problem is this, that some of our text is under this box. To make it visible simply, instead of position fixed, in here we type position sticky. Now everything is okay. Just we want to add another style. Sorry guys, we should use it in a p tag. Now our text has justified.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Like, share, and comment videos to make me more to make me to create more videos for you.